Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm getting ready for a red carpet event. I've been invited to a movie premiere and I need to get my natural hair red carpet ready. Now I know a lot of people struggle with feeling confident in their natural hair, especially in the beginning. So as I get ready, I want to share some tips that has helped me along my journey so that I can feel more comfortable and more confident wearing my natural hair. So let's dive in. Alright, so I'm starting on freshly washed hair. I always go in with a clarifying shampoo first. I go in with the volume shampoo from my Timelessly Curly hair care line to get everything off my hair and scalp. And then I follow up with a moisture shampoo to hydrate my hair to get ready for blow drying. Alright, so after washing, I always go in with a deep conditioning treatment. And today I'm going in with the K18 hair mask. And I love it because it is a leave-in treatment. It only takes 4 minutes to process and it does wonders. And that's because it uses bioactive peptides to reconnect broken keratin chains inside the hair. This makes your hair stronger from the inside out. It helps reduce breakage, it repairs damage from heat, color, chemical treatments, and even mechanical stress like detangling to help reduce split ends and breakage. Because your hair is stronger from the inside out, it allows to improve moisture retention. And that's because your hair is now stronger to actually hold on to the moisture you put in. And lastly, I love it for my curly girls because it really does enhance the definition and the softness of your hair. That's because it restores elasticity, so your hair is naturally more strong and more flexible, allowing your curls to spring back. And like I said, this is a leave-in treatment, so it really absorbs into the hair without leaving a residue, making it great for people with fine or low porosity curls. Alright, to better assist the K18 treatment, I'm going in with a hair steamer, and that's going to not only push the K18 deeper into my hair, but it's going to infuse my hair with moisture, which is so important because I'm going to go in with a blow dryer, so it's imperative for me to put as much moisture into my hair before any kind of heat styling. Alright, to prep my hair for this blow dry, I'm going in with the Emergency Miracle Treatment, and this is the leave-in conditioner of the line. Now, before I do any style, whether it's curly or straight, I'm going in with a leave-in conditioner. This is so important because curly hair thrives off of moisture. When your hair is moisturized, it's easier to manage. So I go in with a leave-in to make sure that my hydration is long-lasting. And what I love about the Emergency Miracle Treatment is because it is lightweight. It's a very thin cream product, so it's going to go into my hair instead of sitting on top. For heat protection, I'm going in with Lait Dew, which is a blow dry cream. Now, if you ever blown out curly hair, you know it gets so dry, so crunchy. So that's why I love to go in with a blow dry cream first, because it's a cream, it has that moisture content, which is going to keep the hair moisturized as I blow it out. And lastly, for added heat protection and to seal in all the moisture we just put in, I'm going in with the amethyst oil. The amethyst oil is a lightweight oil that's really going to help protect the hair from heat and leave it with such a shiny, silky finish. Alright, so as I blow dry my hair, let's dive into some tips that has helped me along my journey to gain confidence in my natural hair. So first things first is I had to realize that I was taught to not like my hair. I can't even count how many times in my life, family, friends, relationships, let alone society telling me that my hair was difficult, too much, unmanageable, it looked unkempt, ugly. Like, there is so many times that people tell you that your hair is not enough, and you hear that enough times, you're gonna start believing it. And the problem is that this starts from young. How many times has your mom complained about your hair being difficult while she was doing your hair? And the worst part is you can't even blame her because the same thing happened to her. It has been ingrained in us for us to think that our hair is undesirable. And once I understood this, I was like, okay, this is actually going to require a mindset shift. Especially if you're coming from relaxers, especially if you're coming from relying on extensions or braided hair, wearing your own hair will feel so foreign and uncomfortable to you at first. And that's because you know what to expect from your hair when it's relaxed, or it's in a braided up style, or if it's in extensions. But when your hair is in its naturally curly state, you don't know what to expect from it. It's very unknown, which can be very scary. So please give yourself some grace when you're at the beginning of your journey. Alright, so as I blow dry my hair, I actually like to set it in these Bantu knots so that it can preserve the stretch so that my hair isn't shrinking back up as I'm blow drying it. As I unravel the knots, you can actually see that my hair is actually fine. And this actually brings us to our first tip, which is to stop comparing your hair to everybody else. Especially in the beginning, we love looking to hair influencers so we can use their tools, their products, only to find out that it does nothing for our own hair. And the worst part is we start to blame ourselves and our own hair for not cooperating and getting with the program. But if we stopped looking to everyone else and start to understand our own curls, the density, the width, the porosity, then we'll start to have a better understanding of what our hair can and can't do, and stop expecting the impossible from it. Alright, to style my hair today, I'm going for a sophisticated low bun. If you know me, you know I love a bun because you can really dress it up, dress it down. It's so easy to do, and it really protects those ends if you're trying to grow your hair out. And because I have fine hair, sleek styles are so easy to do. Alright, for some hold and to really lay down this bun, I'm going in with Edge, which is a holding pomade. What I love about Edge is that it's unlike any other like holding pomade or edge control because it has some moisture content in it to keep the hair moisturized, and it seeps into the hair and not stays on top. So over time, it's like it evaporates, it's not even there anymore, which I love because we really don't want any buildup. And to help mold my hair, I'm going in with a hard brush, which is really going to shape everything and make sure no strand is left behind. And once I have my bun sitting where I like it and tied up, I'm going to use a satin scarf to really lay everything down while I apply my makeup. Alright, so as I get my face together, let's talk about the next tip that helped me gain confidence when wearing my natural hair. And that is to actually take the time to get to know your hair. Because once you understand unique characteristics that makes up your curls, then you can better choose the products, tools, and techniques that will actually work for your hair. For example, I have fine, medium to low density hair. So anytime I try to do a braid out, a twist out with any kind of gel or shea butter, my hair is looking limp and scalpy. And that's because I can't expect my hair to be full and like a lion's mane when I just don't have hair like that. So if I want to wear any kind of out style, I have to embrace the frizz because the frizz will make my hair look fuller and bigger. And when choosing hair products, I can't do the heavy butters and gels. I have to do lightweight creams and sprays. And to be honest, this took some time for me to understand about my hair. And once I did, I was able to save so much money on products because I was no longer a product junkie trying out all these products. I knew what would work for my hair. And this is why I say when you know better, you do better. So when you get to understand your curls and what it needs, you'll be more confident in choosing the products, the styles, the techniques that will work for you. Alright, so after I'm finished with my makeup, I'm going to go ahead and untie that scarf, and I'm going to just fluff my bun in place. Initially, I thought I was going to use a scrunchie, but when I went to the store, I found the perfect bow. So I just want to show you how I just like to fluff my hair into place. And as you can see that, yes, my hair is fine, but when I have my hair all gathered together in a bun and I fluff it out, I can really just make my hair look so thick and full. Alright, so here's the final look, y'all. I went to Rainbow and I got some pointed flats. I got the sweater and I got the hair bow. Thank goodness I had a Rainbow close. And then the pants are from Anthropologie. All black because I love how sophisticated I look in black, and it's the New Yorker and hairstylist in me. Alright, so let's make our way to this red carpet. As I said, it was a movie premiere, and it was the premiere of Piece by Piece, the Lego movie by Pharrell. And y'all, this was my first red carpet event. Needless to say, I was so nervous, my hands were shaking on the red carpet. As you can see, there are just people everywhere, lights everywhere. It was crazy. But I managed to get myself a Getty image. I was feeling like a little celebrity, and I was happy that I actually wore the black against the colorful background. Ew. Alright, so as I finish making my way down this red carpet and eventually to my seat, let's get into this last tip that's going to help you gain confidence on your natural hair journey, which is to actually commit to wearing your hair more. I know we can become reliant on protective styles to actually just set it and forget it, but that is not going to be conducive to a healthy hair journey. In order to feel comfortable in your natural hair, you have to trust that you know what you're doing, and trust is developed over time. Once you've figured out the best products, tools, and styles that works for your hair, you just create a simple routine that you can stick with, and over time you'll notice that it gets easier, and wearing your hair it just becomes second nature. And with that being said, this is not only a mindset shift, it's a whole identity shift. So you have to give yourself some time in order to become that person who actually feels confident wearing their natural hair. If you want to learn my routine for growing my hair as a straight natural, then you want to check out this upcoming video. Until then, I'll catch you on the next one. Bye!